guidance nung pagpapano?
Yung sinabi ni Jong kanina, just slow down and then align yourself.
Go down. So this one is...
Sige.
Ako kalkulasyon lang. I don't know how to
No,
use the
nice.
side mirror.
You don't know how to use this.
Yes, nice.
Ah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah!
Very good!
Yeah.
Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good.
One more.
let's go.
One more. Oh, let's do it again. One more.
Yung reverse parking.
I think reverse parking I'm okay. Cause I think reverse
Okay, line up.
line up.
Galing
Galing ah. Okay, let's have a look.
Ano dyan?
Galing,
Tingnan
galing,
dyan,
galing,
tingnan
galing.
mo nga dyan. Tingnan mo.
Galing, galing,
Nasaan yung
galing,
line?
galing, galing.
Oh,
Oh, pwede na.
pwede na.
Very good,
Good,
ate.
good, good, good.
Very good. Okay, we'll go home now. Very good.
Tayo.